And now taking a look at the energy market, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC, the World Oil Outlook 2025, which extends projections to 2025, paints a picture of sustained global oil demand, with developing economies like Nigeria leading the growth. OPEC estimates that around $18.2 trillion is needed by 2050 to meet oil demand, with more than 80% allocated to upstream activities globally. For Nigeria, this implies a continued need for investment in its upstream sector to maintain and potentially increase production to capitalize on this projected demand. The WOO 2025 also expects oil to retain the largest share of the energy mix in 2050 at almost 30%, with oil and gas combined remaining above 50% between 2024 and 2050. In summary, the OPEC World Oil Outlook 2025 to 2050 generally paints a picture of sustained global oil demand, with developing economies leading the growth. And a look at the stock market today, the Nigerian equities market sustained a 7-session winning streak, the first of its kind this year, adding 1.76 trillion naira to investors' wealth, with market capitalization at 78.73 trillion naira. Today's data shows 44% improvement in volume, 78% improvement in turnover, and 15% improvement in deals. On the aggregate, 130 listed equities participated in trading, ending with 70 gainers and 10 losers. And looking at the numbers at this time, the top trade as of yesterday, Access Core being the banking stock, was at number 2, but today it is at number 1 spot, having traded 174.2 million volume of shares, valued at 3.9 billion naira, which makes Access Core the highest both in volume as well as in value. Second is ICO with 81.9 million, trading at 165 million, talking about that value at this time. Then Jopo Gold is 74 million, valued at 245.2 million. On the losers chart, in Diamet, 9 naira, Legend Internet, 7 naira 21 kobo, IMG 34 naira.